What are you saying? Huh? What are you talking about this morning? Oh, yeah? What else? There's a lot going on, huh? Anything else? Are you practicing rolling? Oh, I heard that. Hi. Good morning, girl. Good morning. You're very vocal today. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, you keep practicing rolling. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.